Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off screensaver in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn off screensaver option, we have to go to settings, then in display, at the very bottom we have screensaver. As you can see right now we have this one. It looks like this, so we want to turn it off. We simply can choose none, and now our screensaver will be turned off. No need to save the setting. We simply back out, and now our screensaver is turned off. We will have our plain screen or black screen. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.